Alright guys, so in just a few minutes I'm going to show you exactly how to compress your file in a folder, how to compress it. One of the advantages of compressing a file is that it protects your folder against a virus. Virus will not be able to penetrate into that compressed file. Another advantage of it is that it helps to reduce the size of the entire load, of whatever is inside the file. Another good thing about it is the fact that whenever you have so many things inside a file, you tend not to lose any of them. So that's just what is interesting about it. So right now I'll be showing you from the beginning to the end of how you can compress a file. The first thing you need to do is to download WinRar. So for you to download WinRar, you need to visit getintopc.com. That's the first thing you need to visit. So when you visit getintopc.com, you are brought here. So you just search for WinRar. Okay, WinRar. Alright. So when you search for WinRar, that's if you don't have it already on your system. So this is actually the particular one I use most. This particular one here. So you just need to click on it. Then when you click on it, you scroll down to where we have download and how to install this. If you don't know how to install, you can click on how to install, but in my own case I'll just click on download. Alright, so they said your file is on its way. Alright, so we have to wait. This is something that you have to be very patient about when doing. Okay, so your file is on its way. Alright, it's downloading now. As you can see, it's downloading down here. It's just a file of 6 megabytes. It wouldn't take time at all to download. Once it is fully downloaded, you click on this arrow and click on show in folder. Then for you to open any file on that is downloaded on Get Into PC, they usually request for a code because every file there is protected. So the code is 123. That's their general code. Now we have to extract the file. I already have WinRAR on my system, so that's why I'm able to extract. You can use it to extract file too. So use it to extract the file. Then okay. Now they are asking for the password. So once you enter the password, then click OK. You'll be able to extract whichever file, and this is it here. So once you click on it, then open the folders, whichever kind of Windows you are using, maybe 64-bit or 32-bit. So you click on it, then you open this file too and install. You see, you can extract and install, but in my own case I don't need to do that. So you just follow the command prompt and you will see how it is done. Okay, now once it is installed, now we need to compress a file. This is a file that I want to compress here. As you can see, they are all videos. Okay, they are all videos, and if you check, it is just 90 megabytes. Now we want to compress it. Now for you to compress it, you right click on the entire folder. Then once you right click, you come to add to test.rar. So you click on it, and it will just be so quick in terms of compressing your folder. No matter how long or how huge your folder is, it will compress everything. So this is just the beauty of it. Now the folder has been compressed, and as you can see, it has been compressed there. Now for anybody that wants to open it, they have to right click and extract file to open it. They cannot easily open it so easily, and if they open it, maybe it's because they have WinRAR on their system, like I did. So it's because I have WinRAR on my system, that's why I'm able to open it like this, but yet it's still in form of a compressed folder. So for me to use it well, I need to extract. Okay, so that's the beauty of it. See you next time.